I'm Lego Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. WIGO stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you've stopped by because you're curious what I received in the October 2021 Allure box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, it's that time of the month where it's unboxing after unboxing after unboxing. Sorry, I've been posting a lot lately, but I have so many videos filmed. For anyone who isn't aware, Allure is a beauty magazine, and they do those Allure Awards. They have a subscription box. This costs $23 a month, and you get 6 products. 3 are guaranteed to be full size. The box does come with a card or pamphlet, and will list the full size prices. So for the items that are just sample, I'll look something up and make up a price. I don't make it up. I'll do the math based off of the milliliters. All right, let's get started. First item, what is this? We have from Whish a pink champagne lip balm. Ooh, with Bakuchiol. Bakuchiol is a plant-based form of retinol. I'm excited. It's not safety sealed, and it's the type where you kind of squeeze out and just, whoa, okay, didn't mean to squeeze that hard. I have some very thick lip gloss, so I'm not going to try this on, but who can't use a lip balm? Okay, next item. What is this? Is this First Aid Beauty? Can you tell I do a lot of unboxings? I recognize the packaging. This is the Pure Skin Face Cleanser, and I am fairly certain I have this already. I got the AIA Beauty Bundle with all of First Aid Beauty in it, and then, is it Ipsy? One of the boxes likes to give this. Who doesn't like or use or need a cleanser? Not mad at that. All right, next item. What is this? This is from, oh, all my Hair 11 subscribers are going to love this. I've learned that NatureLab Tokyo is a shishi really nice hair care brand. And this is the Perfect Repair Leave-In Treatment. And it's color safe. I'm going to assume this is a sample size. If not, ooh, that's a tiny product, as this is only 1 fluid ounce or 30 ml. All right, next item. What is this? We have from a brand called Boscia, and this is a 0.6% Pro-Retinol Repair and Renew Waterless Advanced Treatment. That is a lot of words, and I still don't know what this is. It's either a moisturizer or a serum of some sort. It doesn't say, but what it does say, I'm dying over. It says it contains plant-based Bakuchiol, which helps reduce the look of wrinkles, dark spots, and blemishes without causing irritation or redness. And you need to use 3 to 4 drops, so that's why I'm thinking it might be a serum. And you put it on your face at nighttime. All right. Sounds like a lovely product. All right. Next item. Oh, yes. I know right away. We got some Bum Bum cream. This is from Sol de Janeiro. And what scent is this? This looks to be, I believe the yellow is the original and the blue is some other one. They don't have a name for their scent. I think it's just so well known. If you know what the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum cream smells like, then you know it is awesome and good. All right, last item. It's in the bubble wrap. What is this? Is this makeup in an Allure box? Okay, this is from Kaja Beauty, and it's the Bento Bouncy Eyeshadow Trio. It is makeup in an Allure box. I feel special. What did we do to deserve that treat? Oh, okay. This is so cute. I have seen this around, don't ask me where, and I was always intrigued and was like, oh, what cute packaging. I don't know if this is full size or travel, but either way, I am super happy to get this. Oh my goodness. And there's even a mirror. For some reason, I thought these would swivel out. So you have to open like one at a time, or do like I did and open them all at once, and then you can play with it like it's a pinwheel. There are 2 mattes and 1 shimmer. Let me do some swatches. Those are some lovely everyday Wygo Warrior friendly colors. This is the perfect size just to toss in your bag whenever, I don't know, you're stranded on an island and need to whip up an eye look really quick. I like it. It will fit lovely into my makeup bag. Why would you put on makeup on an island? I don't know. It was the first thing that popped into my head. All right, let's recap what came in this box. We got a retinol serum, a lip balm, a leave-in hair treatment, a travel size face cleanser, a sample of the Bum Bum cream, and an eyeshadow trio. What are your thoughts? I think this is a really good box. The Kaja eyeshadow trio retails for $21. The box was $23. For $2 more, you get all of this. You know, the First Aid Beauty, this is a sample, but it's probably at least $6 worth of product. This full-size retinol serum is $48. I will use this lip balm. I think $20 for a little tube of lip balm is pricey, but I love getting it in a box. I just never personally would spend that kind of money. Somebody out there is like doing backflips, not me. So this will be in a future giveaway. I'm going to list on the screen everything that came in this box along with the MSRP value. What are your thoughts? I think this is pretty good. Leave me a comment and let me know if you have noticed a trend in the Allure box getting a little better. Also, with the increase to the Ipsy and BoxyCharm boxes, maybe $23 doesn't quite seem so bad. I don't know. I've always enjoyed Allure, but I do enjoy skincare a lot, and I was stoked to get an eyeshadow trio. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love it if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you. And if you could do me the kindest favor and click the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. Make sure you click the little bell icon so that you're notified of future videos. You know, all of the YouTube stuff. All right, thanks everyone.